Don't miss to join the 2 days intensive business growth program. This program has been attended by almost 7,000 entrepreneurs in the last 10 years along with School of Inspirational Leadership. The whole purpose of coming in this workshop is to see the future, plan the future. Burning Desire is an opportunity for you and your teams to come together and create the magic for future. It talks about the values that you will build your organization on. You will define them so robustly and so easily that even the security guard in your company should be able to understand what this company stands for. It gives you a mission that allows your company to work on it, your people to work on it, and everybody feels proud about the fact that they are a part of a bigger cause. Very importantly is the vision that you will have for the next 3 years of where you want to reach. The number, the time, the territory, the market, the product that you want to dissolve in the market to make that happen. You will have your strategic goals. So this is the output of it. So that's my third promise. Every individual who's come out has a single sheet document that says, if I work on this, the magic is going to happen. And that gets you excited. That gets your team excited. And that's what we want. That is the goal of Burning Desire. You can make the plans for yourself and your company for the next 1,000 days. This is a journey, my dear friends. This isn't a destination. This is journey. And in this journey, I promise you that I will be with you all throughout. I'll see you in Burning Desire. Do not miss this opportunity.